Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Seal M. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding kay Seal M. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon itong si Seal M. Now, kung mapapansin nyo guys, no, karamihan sa mga nostalgic MMORPG game, konti-konti na talagang ini-integrate sa Web3. And yan yung ginawa ni Cross Network kay Seal M. Now, since this is gonna be a play-to-earn game, gusto ko lang sabihin na this is not a financial nor a job advice. So please make sure to do your own diligence about making a research on these projects before getting in. Kasi karamihan guys, tinitreat na to as a trabaho. Well, this is just an extra income and also for you to be able to enjoy yung game itself. Now, wag niyo siyang i-treat as your main source kung sakali man na may trabaho kayo, wag kayong mag-quit. Okay? Ganun lang naman kasimple mga brother. But anyway, pag-usapan muna natin tong si Seal M. Now, pre-registration is already open. So, I will put the link down below para at least hindi na kayo maligaw at hindi na kayo mapunta sa mga phishing websites. So once you click that link na nilagay natin sa description, mararoute kayo dito sa page na to. And as you can see, in order for you to pre-register and get these pre-registration rewards, okay, kailangan nyong i-tick tong I agree to the following terms and continue. Okay? So, lahat yan required. So, kailangan nyong i-check lahat yan. Okay? Now, after that, you just have to put in your email. So you can either use multiple emails or dummy Gmails kung nagbabala kayo na magbenta ng accounts dito in the future. Then you can use or create dummy Gmails para at least naka-ready na siya. Okay? And also, it will give you these perks of the pre-registration rewards. Okay? So lagyan natin dito yung ating gaming email. So dito natin yan. Dito tayo usually naglalaro talaga sa email na to. So after that, just click on pre-register. Alright? So once you pre-register, mararoute kayo dito sa page na to. It would ask you to log into your Hive account. Okay? So click on sign in with Google. And then lagay nyo lang dito yung, or select nyo lang dito yung email address na gusto nyong gamitin. So click continue. Then after that, eto na yung lalabas sa screen nyo, which is, nag-thank you na siya dahil nag-pre-register kayo guys. Okay, so you receive 5 tickets to join the Cross Million Jackpot game. Okay? So once na ma-receive nyo na yung tickets na yun guys, it's pretty much the same with Rohan M nung kaka-release pa lang nila. So kailangan nyo lang naman dito is mag-submit. So click nyo lang tong submit. And then, of course, kailangan nyo ng cross wallet. So all you just need to do guys is to search it under sa Chrome Web Store. So ang pangalan niya guys is CrossX. Okay? So kunwari wala pa siya sa desktop application nyo or wala pa siya sa Chrome nyo, all you just need to do is to click add to Chrome. And then kapag na-add to Chrome nyo na siya, it would ask you to create an account. Now, since meron na tayong account kay Cross Wallet guys, kung mapapansin nyo, may Zenny pa tayo dyan, no? Automatic na yan guys na makakapag-create kayo ng account using your socials or pwede ring mag-create kayo ng seed phrase. But ako, ang ginagamit ko na ngayon is socials para at least I can control my wallet. Okay, hindi na siya basta-basta ma-hack and you won't have any problems accessing it at anywhere at any time as well. So, sabi kanina dito sa Seal M Cross, kailangan mo ng wallet address, right? So, all you just need to do is to copy your wallet address here. So, punta lang kayo dito sa account 1, tapos click nyo lang tong copy button. So, once you copy the address, you can put it here. Then after that, click on OK. Tapos, magse-select na lang kayo ng mga number. So, select natin yung number natin. So, 17, kahit ano naman guys, pwede naman yan eh. 10, ano pa ba? 47, yan, 47, 32. Limang numbers lang to guys. So, yan, 69. So, click on submit. Ayun, nasubmit na siya guys. So, dito meron siyang round 1, round 2, and round 3. So, every time that you are finishing a certain task, you will be able to get more tickets. So, let's say for example, nag-invite kayo ng friends nyo, you can actually get max 20 tickets. Then kunwari, nag-post kayo with a hashtag, you can also get another 5, which is the maximum. So you can use any of the tickets, guys, within those 5 rounds. So 5 rounds pala to, guys, hindi lang siya 3 rounds. Okay? Anyway, ito yung kanilang prize pool. So first one is 17,000. The second one, of course, medyo mas mababa na siya, 2,000 US dollars na lang. And then yung third is gonna be $1,000. Now let's talk about when it comes to the game. Okay? Ano nga ba yung iba't ibang class na pwede nyong gamitin dito sa CLM? Alright? So the first class is gonna be Knight. So this is gonna be like a tank type of character. Alright? So ito yung magiging front line ng mga parties, especially sa mga PvP fights. So yan yung role ng Knight dito. And then the second class would be Mage. So ito naman yung nasa backline. Of course, these type of character will definitely hit a huge AoE damage, no, sa field. And then they also have the priest, which is gonna be your support character. So priest is gonna be responsible for buffs and also heals. Okay. Then they also have the jester. So jester is gonna be a dagger type character, pero yung combat style niya is long range. So I think this is the first time that I will see a long range na combat style na dagger type. Okay. Last one is gonna be the warrior. So this one also acts as a semi-tank pero meron din siyang damage dealt. So makikita nyo yan, guys, dito sa preview ng video natin. Na makikita nyo yung animations ng iba't ibang classes and also the preview of the skill itself on how does it really work. Okay? Now, in terms of the contents that you can make here, of course, you can make your character stronger. Makikita nyo yan dito sa preview ng CLM Cross. Okay, that's where you will see the actual class combats. Okay, you can also pretty much customize your looks. Okay, depende sa costume na makukuha nyo in the game. There's also these garters wherein you will be able to get it pretty much in the game as well. All right, so that you will be able to explore the whole map of the Seal M. Okay, there's also the field boss, which is I think this is the main objective of the game, is for you to be able to clear the field boss to get a good amount of reward as well. Then they also have fishing, alright, na makakuha kayo ng iba't ibang klase ng item. So, I will definitely make a content once the game is released, okay, para at least mabigyan ko kayo ng insight and also beginner's guide on how to play the game. Alright? Now, in terms of the system requirements, kasi baka may magtanong sa atin, ano ba yung minimum requirements dyan? So, at least you have an Android phone with Android 12 no, na operating system, at least 4 GB RAM, and then you can pretty much play the game itself. So at least Galaxy S10 equivalent. Now sa iOS naman, at least iOS 13 or later. Okay? Or iPhone 11 or later. Kasi mahirap, guys, kapag medyo luma na yung phone nyo tapos nilaro nyo siya, baka maglag lang kayo. Alright? In terms of the PC requirement naman, at least Windows 10 with a graphics card of GTX 1060 and then 8 GB RAM. So medyo decent na yan and kahit papaano malalaro nyo na si CLM ng smooth. Okay? Pero minimum lang yan, guys. Ang recommended talaga nila is Windows 11, RTX 4060 and 16 GB RAM. So medyo pang high-end yung gusto nilang recommended specs sa game na to. But anyway, let's go over with the tokenomics kasi dahil Web3 related siya, guys, no? Of course, meron tokenomics na tinatawag. Okay? Now, ano yung main currency dito na pwede nyong i-convert into USD or pwede nyo i-convert into cash? So that's the Shields token. Now, paano kayo makakapag-mint ng Shields token? That is when you get the Shields Crystal. So, paano ba makukuha si Shields Crystal? Very simple lang, guys. So, dito nakalagay kung paano nyo siya ma-obtain. So, you can either get it through gameplay by finishing Shields Pass missions, riff ranking points, daily mission points, field ranking or field boss ranking points, season mission points, dungeon ranking points, and of course, itong additional points based on the shield pass level. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, may Shields Pass dito. Which is kailangan nyo bumili ng Shields Pass para maging eligible kayo na mag-earn through the Shields Pass missions. Okay? So yung Shields Pass na bibili nyo dyan, guys, makakuha kayo ng Shields Crystals and yung Shields Crystals yung i-convert nyo into Cross. Okay? Napakasimple lang nung mechanics niya, guys, no? Hindi siya masyadong complicated. Now, in terms of other ways on how you can get it, you can pretty much get it to Shields ranking. Okay, so meron kayong makukuha seasonal ranking rewards. May allocation sila dyan na 10 million Shields Crystal. Okay, for those who distributed based on their Shields ranking. Okay, so on Chain Connection, of course, kapag meron na kayong Shields Crystal, guys, usually puwede niyo siyang i-convert into shields. Now, yung wallet niyo naman guys is really connected with your Hive account. Okay, so nakita niyo naman kanina kung paano natin sinet up yung Hive account natin. So, once you have available Shields Crystal, you will be able to see that on your wallet. So, kapag nakita niyo na yan sa wallet niyo, pwede niyo siyang i-convert into shields. And then, kapag na-mint niyo na siya, pwede niyo na siyang i-convert sa USDT. Okay? So, ganun lang naman kasimple yung tokenomics nila on how you can convert your shields crystal to shields and then shields to USDT. Okay? Or pwedeng cross din para meron kayong pang gas fee. Alright. So aside from that, ito basically yung preview lang naman ng game. So if you do have any other questions about CLM guys, abangan nyo yung tutorials natin in terms of the specific class guides. So gagawa natin yun guys and talagang naghahanap tayo ng MMO na malalaro right now. And if you wanna be updated sa mga ginagawa nating videos, tutorials dito sa game na to, you can actually follow me sa ating Facebook page. You can also follow sa TikTok and also sa YouTube, guys. No? Subscribe na rin kayo. So yun na naman. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood and alam nyo na, this is BM and I'm out.